Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yabo, mkhuluma yanisizwe kaNkosi. Most people allow the gift to become a curse. Ngesimo sokuthi they have fears on what they might leave behind. They have fears on that they leaving their loved ones. They have fears that they leaving their jobs and stuff. And then all this creates a barrier of communications towards you and your ancestors. You know, in each and every single thing ends why they're trying to reach out as much as you're trying to ignore them. Ignorance is a deadly weapon towards you and your ancestors. How do you ignore your ancestors? You ignore them through your habits. You ignore them through lack of communication. You lack the ability to understand on how they want in each and every single thing. You are more focused on your lifestyle. You are more focused on how you're trying to make it in life. You are more focused on the ability to live, the ability to become, the ability to be. And the idea that lies in your head that sometimes you think having the gift you're going to have superpowers. Having the gift you think you're going to manipulate certain things or certain systems. Having the gift you think at some point. Some people have that arrogance. But now you must be grounded to become. You must be grounded to have the ability to understand the universe on its own. You have to have the ability ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi idlozi lakho lufinyelela njani ngoba awungenanga idlozi elilodwa, ungena amadlozi amaningi, and each and every idlozi liza ngesiphiwo saso. Yingakho they tend to have a competition amongst themselves ukuthi here wethu, meaning that ukuthi bayakubanga abantu abadala ngendlela yokuthi when you lack understanding. They all want to be accommodated. They all want to be well lived. The arrogance, the ignorance will most definitely hinder that. Your biggest fears turns into curse into your life. Your biggest fears towards this journey, your biggest fears towards inheriting this gift, you'll end up inheriting bad ancestors because of your arrogance, because of lack of understanding and becoming. This journey is very challenging, we understand. This journey it has its own dilemmas, we understand. But you must be grounded so that you can inherit goodness of your ancestors. You can inherit good light upon your life. But now, ignorance, bad habits will overthrow all that you're trying to achieve. And then you say you are cursed. Then you say, then you will say, all this happening, why me? If not you, who should they choose? I've been good.